Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. It's summer. I love summer. There's bugs. I hate bugs. That's where OnBeam comes into play. This is an electric bug zapper, and I love having it outside our house. What's great about this is it's solar power, so I literally got it out of the box, hung it on my little hook outside of our front patio, and voila, it's working. And there's an automatic setting where it turns off when it's bright out and turns back on when it is nighttime. So there's no humming that's annoying. It's perfectly quiet. It's waterproof, so like I said, I just hung it on my little hook in my garden, and I have left it there ever since. If you don't want it on the automatic function and you want it to turn on for a specific time, especially during the day, there is an on-off feature, and so you can turn it on and off as you wish. There's also a light, so if you want extra light at night, there is an on and off button for the light. It's very easy to clean. It comes with a brush. You just stick it in, clean off all those dead buggies that you've killed. And then the bottom has a little tray that collects them all. You just top that off and you're good to go. So if you like me and you want to kill bugs, go ahead and get one. But that's just my point of view.